My husband received a welcome gift by Infosys. So let's see what is this. First, we are going to unfold this documents. Infosys, navigate your next. I think this is tagline of
Yeah,
Infosys.
Infosys tagline.
Welcome award. It means this is welcome message, I think. Okay, in this, so we are going to see a
This
diary,
Infosys diary.
a pen, and a bottle. Infosys navigate your next. And this is Sea Life. I think in this introduced what is Infosys, client and work and whatever is this. Alright. And next thing is this, where you can put your ID card, your ATM card and other thing. Okay. So this is welcome gift. And I think journey will be very good. I think journey will be very good with Infosys. See you next video. Bye.